City to Marble Arch. This bus is ready to depart. Hold on to the handrails when moving around the bus.